Hello everyone. Cybersecurity doesn't require any kind of introduction, right? We are all aware of the cybercrime incidents that are going around nowadays, right? And it is increasing in multifold because we are depending online. So what are the job opportunities available in the cybersecurity domain? Let's discuss. There are 10 job opportunities. So point number 1. As an ethical hacker, you can start your career as an L1 penetration tester. Now what's L1 penetration tester or an ethical hacker? A junior level ethical hacker with a certification of CEH or any ethical hacking certificate, where you will be responsible to look into the internal IT infrastructure, whether it be web or network, as a junior level professional. So that's a very good career opportunity that you can take up. The next best career as a cybersecurity professional is if you are interested in web application penetration testing or an web application penetration tester. Now what's the job role? You will be responsible to find out vulnerabilities in the web applications which can be of your company, or you're doing it for the third party as a third party organization, right? So you can choose that web application penetration testing as a career opportunity. Number 3 on the list is the network penetration tester or a network security auditor. The job role is to find out vulnerabilities in the network domain, right? In the IT infrastructure, find out the vulnerabilities which are there. Endpoint securities is important, right? So as a network penetration tester, you can work in different companies, and there are ample amount of job opportunities in India and across the globe. Number 4 on the list is as a security operational center, SOC person. So what's SOC? Security Operational Center. You will be working and finding out what are the threats which are coming in, right? So you'll be working with different tools like IBM QRadar, right? And there are ample amount of now Splunk. So these tools you need to learn, and you can be working as a SOC analyst. You can work as a forensic analyst. Now what's digital forensic analyst? There is an incident which has happened and you need to find out the actual victim. Though in the cyber world, digital footprints are very short-lived. Now on that ground, digital forensic is a very important role. And as a digital forensic analyst, you can be a person who can find out find evidences you can collect digitally, and you can work on it. It's a very growing in-demand field, and there are ample amount of certificates that you can go for and learn about the tools, and then you can apply for the job. If you're working as a developer and you are aware that hackers are ready to hack your web application or any software you should develop, right? So as a secured application developer, there is a huge amount of career opportunities available. So you learn developing tools in different technologies. You need to know cybersecurity as well, and that's a good career. You are developing softwares which are secure. Next on the list, as a security architect, you can get a job. As the job title reveals, security architects are responsible for creating and designing security for a system. Those also develop architect patterns and new security approaches for technologies. If you have an analytical mind, enjoy designing programs, and love working with data, this might be the perfect role for you. The most prestigious on the list, Chief Information Security Officer. Now you're not going to get it as a fresher. So if you are already working in the cybersecurity field and want to turn up a notch, you might consider becoming a Chief Information Security Officer or a CISO. This is a senior role where you will have many years of experience in various cybersecurity jobs under your belt. The CISO is in charge of overseeing the entire security operation of the organization, including the strategy, the design, development, budget, regulations, and other things. You might be seeing many job opportunities with the title of Information Security Analyst. Now what's that? Information Security Analysts have the responsibility of creating plans and strategies for preventing cyber attacks. They are essentials and the protocols of sensitive information, and they ensure that policies are being followed. There are many jobs including monitoring systems and network, detecting threats, analyzing and assessing issues, and generally protecting IT infrastructure from criminal activities. Once they have found a threat, they will decide whether to resolve or escalate it based on how dangerous it is. If you're looking for a management role in the cybersecurity domain, cybersecurity project manager is good for you. If you are a cybersecurity specialist who also wants to take on a leadership role, working in projects, managing it could be a profitable choice. Also on the Reader's Digest list of in-demand jobs for 2021, cybersecurity project manager oversees the development of security systems that protects on the organization's employees' assets and data.